Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be headed to Oakland. I'm going to be taking my bike and showing you guys places you can lock it up in downtown San Francisco. We have a Waymo car pulling up. Sometimes when I go to Oakland, I normally take the BART, so I'll lock up my bike just outdoors, downtown San Francisco. That can be pretty risky. But yeah, this should be a much safer place to lock up your bike. There's an app. I'll get the update for you guys. I'll grab the app name for you in a bit, or I'll just post it in the video. Some of these hills are battery drainers, so we're gonna try like up them as much as possible. We're gonna try and pedal up them as much as possible. Alright, made it to the top. The rest of the trip should be downhill. But yeah, this bike lockup, they have these little containers where, not little, but big enough for a bike, where you can open them with a code on your phone and lock your bike up. It's about like 15 cents an hour, I believe. You can just come back, punch in the code, and unlock your bike. I don't even think it requires a code. I think it's just a button you can press on your phone in the app. Damn, that's steep. Yeah, these new tires are necessary for hills like these. My CST Scouts would have skidded the whole way down just because I've abused them so much. Okay, so I got the bike in there. The app is called Bike Link. Like I showed you, just click a button, open your gate. And it's only actually 5 cents an hour, so even cheaper than I thought. My bike is a little bit larger than your average bike, but it's in there. And you can store whatever else you want in the bin as well. So thanks for watching the video, and see you guys next time.